Hello everyone. Today's our grammar topic is kinds of adverbs. So let's learn about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. What is meant by an adverb? An adverb is a word which describes or modifies the verb, adjective or the adverb or even the whole sentence. It means it modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb and even the whole sentence. Adverbs are classified into many kinds according to their meaning, and they are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree or quantity, adverb of reason, adverb of frequency or number, adverb of affirmation or negation, interrogative adverb, and relative adverb. These are the different kinds of adverbs according to their meaning. Now let's understand them, each of them in detail. The first kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us in what manner the action takes place, and it answers the question how or in what manner. Adverb of manner are words such as slowly, quickly, fluently, well, clearly, etc. Let's see some examples of it. Example number 1. This story is well written. In this sentence, well word tells us the manner of an action. In second sentence, he speaks clearly. How does he speak? Clearly. So, in these two sentences, the words like well and clearly tells us in what manner the action takes place. So, they are adverb of manner. The next kind is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us the place of an action, where an action is performed. It tells us about that place. Adverb of place is usually marked by words like here, there, near, far, out, in, inside, etc. Let's see some examples of it. Example number 1. Let us wait here for him. In this sentence, the word here tells us the place of an action. Second sentence, the boy walked away in anger. Word away tells us the place of an action. So, the words here and away, as they tell us the place of an action, they are adverb of place. Next is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us the time of an action. It tells when an action is performed. It means it answers the question when. Adverb of time is usually denoted by words such as now, today, before, yesterday, since, etc. Now let's see some examples of it. Example number 1. He came late. In this sentence, late word tells us the time of an action. So it's an adverb of time. And the second example, our examination will start soon. In this sentence, soon word tells us the time of an action. So it is an adverb of time. The next is adverb of frequency or number. It tells us how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. Words like once, twice, often, seldom, always, etc. show adverb of frequency. Let's see some examples. Example number 1. He often makes the same mistakes. In this sentence, often word tells us how frequently an action takes place. The next sentence is I read this book twice. In this sentence, twice word tells us how frequently an action takes place. Next kind is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree used to indicate the intensity, degree or extent of quality, state, condition and relation. It answers the question how much, in what degree or in what extent. It means it expresses degrees of quality, state, condition, and relation. Words like very, little, quite, enough, too, much, almost, so, etc. are used to express adverb of degree. Let's see examples of it. Example number 1. You are quite wrong. Quite word expresses degree. Second sentence. He is very clever. In this sentence, very word indicate the intensity or degree of an action. So, the words like quite, very in these two sentences are adverbs of degree. Next is adverb of reason. Adverb of reason tells us the reason or purpose of an action and answers the question why. Words like therefore, hence, because, they expresses the reason. So they are adverbs of reason. Let's see some examples. He was therefore delayed. In this sentence, therefore word tells us the reason. So it is an adverb of reason. The next example. He is hence unable to go. In this sentence, hence word tells us the reason of an action. So it is also an adverb of reason. Next kind is adverb of assertion, or we can call it adverb of affirmation or negation. Adverb of affirmation confirms the action, and adverb of negation, it denies the action in the sentence. So which words are used to confirm the action, or which words are used to deny the action? So let's see the words. Adverb of affirmation, words which confirms the action. They are adverbs of affirmation, such as yes, surely, certainly, undoubtedly, definitely, etc. And adverb of negation, words such as no, not, never, they denies the action. So what is meant by adverb of assertion or negation? Adverb of affirmation, it confirms the action, and adverb of negation, it denies the action. Next kind is interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Words like when, where, why, how many, how much are used in a sentence to ask questions. They are interrogative adverbs. So let's see examples of it. When did he came back? In this sentence, when is an interrogative adverb of time. Second sentence, how did you do this? In this sentence, how word is an interrogative adverb of manner. So, interrogative adverbs are the words which are used to ask questions in a sentence. Now let's understand about relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are used to join sentences or clauses, and they are the words like when to indicate time, where to tell us about place, why to explain the reason. So when, where, why, these are the words which are used as relative adverbs in a sentence to join sentences or clauses together. Let's see some examples of it. The report was ready when I reached. In this sentence, the word when is used to join two clauses together. First clause, the report was ready, is one clause, and I reached the other clause. So when word is joining them together, and it indicates time. The next one, I know the place where he was born. In this sentence, where word is used to join two clauses together. The clauses are, I know the place is the one clause, he was born the other clause, and where indicates the place. So, when and where in these two sentences are relative adverbs. I hope you all understand all the kinds of adverbs very well. Now take some examples for practice. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and state their kinds. First example, these are extremely complex machines. Number 2, both our children have settled elsewhere. Third, he runs fast. Fourth sentence, tell your parents about the incident immediately. And the fifth sentence, she often visits us. So, children, read the sentences carefully, pick out the adverbs from these sentences, and state their kinds. Thank you.